Learn Igbo preposition. Topic: dị n'elu in Igbo. Remember, dị n'elu or nelu is one of the prepositions we have been looking into since. Let's see them in sentences. Igbo, English. Number 1 sentence says, iko dị n'elu okpokoro ahụ. Iko dị n'elu okpokoro ahụ, meaning cup is on top of that table. We use the same color pen to indicate same words both in Igbo and in English. You can see that iko means cup, di means is, nelu means on top, okpokoro means table, ahụ means that. Let's continue. Ngaji dị n'elu okpokoro. Ngaji dị n'elu okpokoro, meaning spoon is on top of the table. Ngaji, it is called spoon in English. Ha nọ n'elu ugwu. Ha nọ n'elu ugwu, meaning they are on top of the mountain. Ọ dị n'elu ụlọ ha. Ọ dị n'elu ụlọ ha, meaning it is on top of their house. Remember, we said that ọ as a pronoun in Igbo, nọchiaha, it represents both it, he and she. Aka ya abụọ dị n'elu isi ya. Aka ya abụọ dị n'elu isi ya, meaning his or her 2 hands are on top of his head or her head. Ha nọ n'elu. Ha nọ n'elu, meaning they are on top. Like and share our videos. Subscribe to our channel, please, and follow us for more. Go through all our teachings, both in YouTube and also in TikTok, and also in Facebook, Instagram. Rejoice Chinwendu TV on Facebook. Rejoice Chinwendu Special TV on YouTube. Rejoice Chinwendu Media on TikTok. Rejoice Chinwendu page on Instagram. Please follow and like our videos. Bye.